Okay guys, this is your guy, Dr. Cool Auto Fix. We got this one right here. This is Jaguar XFR 2013 model supercharged. Damn, this is a damn beast, man. What we're looking at here, it's a problem, but don't mind. I'm just trying to flash it a little bit. And you know how it goes, you step on the gas pedal and you push the button right there and the beast is awake. Damn, this is an incredible machine. See all the vents wake up. So feel free to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and we go on it. Okay, welcome to another episode. Today is Dr. Cool Auto Fix and my fellow mechanic here, two badass mechanic trying to take on Lexus GS300. Now you got it right. This six banger is no joke. It comes with a straight engine like most BMW. I actually think that Lexus actually copied BMW Mercedes engine configuration on this one, precisely Mercedes. So for most of you guys in Nigeria who are Nairaland, who rant a lot when I told you guys that we rebuild engines at least to some 2 years without giving you any issues, no oil shortage and all that, no rattling noise, because we're going to be inspecting some of the critical components that make up this beautiful masterpiece right here. You can see how clean this engine is, which I'm going to be looking at in a detail, a very great detail, because he uses pure fully synthetic oil, and this car got 135 mileage on 135k mileage. So that's really got me going, like, what the hell, what happens to the piston rings, especially the oil control? It still got a great compression strokes, but it shuts oil like mad, and that's the reason why this car is brought to a garage today. So for most of you who I told you that we take on any kind of car, I am not the brand specific kind of mechanic. Now you get to know it. Last other time we talked about Avances that have like 80k mileage on, and this week we got GS300. You can see it right here, guys. So this is no joke. This is what we do right here in Nigeria, in Abuja precisely. So if you got a problem with your car, you're right, having this kind of nasty issue, throwing oil, throwing tantrums, and shutting oil very badly, or you're having a chunk of huge blue smoke right there following you on the tailpipe where you'd ride along, you gotta bring it so we can get it fixed up. And as I'm talking to you right here, we got a lot of other customers queuing up right now. For most of you who so much rant on Nairaland, who sit at the comfort of your keyboard and type rubbish and rant nonsense without actually coming to see me, without coming down here to see what I do, I think you're a bunch of kind of I don't know, you know. You stay right there and you make mouth and you do all the kind of shitty talk you talk right there, because that is all you can do. But for me, I am just more than a mechanic, god damn it. If you don't know it, I'm gonna say it again. I'm just more than a mechanic. I know too much for a mechanic. So when you see me doing multiple different things to car, it shouldn't shock you, all right? It shouldn't shock you. I am not the DIY guy, yada yada yada. No, I am not the DIY guy. So whatever I'm doing, I'm pretty much confident. And here I'm teaming up with this guy because this guy is like an Old Testament when you talk about engine rebuild. And me, I am the kind of badass mechanic that knows how to get his ass along every damn axis of the engine, or troubleshooting whatever problem noisy the engine have. So when you look at me, don't look at me like some kind of AC technician. Yeah, I do AC a lot because that is quite a little bit hectic for most of Nigeria, not just Nigeria but US also to handle. So in this case, in this very side here, I'm also on general engine troubleshooting and 360 degrees diagnostics on car problems. So right now, I know most of you who are watching this video right now will be pretty much confident when I tell you that we get it done. It is not easy kicking on this badass. Now this is on me taking on Ford Explorer 2011 model, and this is on me again taking on 300 C300. What I do best, guy, and come on, this show goes on and on. Don't forget to subscribe. This is your Dr. Cool Auto Fix. I'll catch you on the next one.